Is your BMW X1 2016 to 2022 F48 key fob not working or failing to open lock your car? The most common culprit is a dead battery. First, confirm the issue is battery related. If the remote isn't responding at all or the range has significantly decreased, a battery replacement is likely the fix. You'll need a new CR2032 battery. Avoid cheap knockoffs, as they often fail quickly. A reliable brand like Panasonic or Energizer is recommended. You'll also need a small flat tool to pry open the key fob case. A small screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opening tool works well. Locate the seam on the side of your key fob. Insert your prying tool into the seam and gently twist to release the metal clip securing the case. Be careful not to damage the plastic housing. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it sits firmly in place. Snap the key fob case back together until you hear it click shut. Test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If it works, you're all set. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and functioning.